Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the Google account you intend to use, then open Google Photos and enable Backup and Sync. This is the only way to link device photos automatically. Once done, pick the upload size, high quality or original, because that determines storage use and quality. Make sure you select the correct account and enable cellular upload only if you accept data charges. Otherwise, restrict to Wi-Fi to save mobile data. Next, you choose exactly which folders get linked. On Android, open device folders inside Photos and toggle each folder to backup. On iPhone, grant Photos access and allow background app refresh so uploads run. For a computer, install the Backup and Sync app or drag folders to Photos. Google.com, once configured, the app continuously watches selected folders and uploads new images. Make sure you confirm account selection and destination library so files land. Finally, verify that photos are linked by checking the cloud status icons and visiting Photos. Google.com, you should see recent uploads. Once synced, organize images into albums and add descriptions or labels so search finds them fast. If the process stops, first check your Google storage quota, app permissions, and whether background upload or battery optimizations are blocking the app. Reboot the device, sign out and back in, then force a manual upload. That resolves most sync failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.